Have you ever wondered how Cristiano Ronaldo maintains his incredible productivity both on and off the field? It's not just about natural talent. It's a lifestyle that you too can adopt to enhance your own productivity. Today, we're uncovering Ronaldo's health routine, exercise regimen, and diet plan, so you can integrate his methods into your life and see remarkable improvements. Cristiano Ronaldo starts his day with a disciplined routine that begins early. He believes in the power of consistency, often emphasizing the importance of waking up and going to bed early. This habit allows him to stay focused and maintain his mental sharpness. The key here is to establish a daily routine that aligns with your goals, ensuring you tackle the most important tasks when your mind is freshest. When it comes to exercise, Ronaldo's regimen is as diverse as it is intense. His workouts are designed not just to build muscle, but to enhance agility, endurance, and overall physical performance. A typical week for Ronaldo includes a mix of cardio sessions, strength training, and core workouts. Cardio helps him maintain his stamina and keep his body fat low, while strength training builds the muscle needed to perform at the highest levels. Core exercises like planks and leg raises contribute to his remarkable balance and agility on the field. Ronaldo's training doesn't stop with just exercise. Flexibility and recovery are also crucial components of his routine. He dedicates time to stretching and using foam rollers, practices that prevent injuries and keep his body flexible. The motive here is simple. To keep your body in peak condition, you need a balanced workout routine that includes not just strength and endurance training, but also flexibility and recovery practices. Diet is another area where Ronaldo's discipline shines. His eating habits are carefully crafted to fuel his body for performance. He eats 6 small meals a day, focusing on lean proteins like chicken and fish, healthy fats from sources like avocado, and complex carbohydrates such as brown rice and whole grains. His meals are always balanced, ensuring he gets the nutrients he needs without overloading on any one type of food. Ronaldo avoids sugary foods and drinks, instead opting for water and natural juices to stay hydrated. A key takeaway from Ronaldo's diet is the importance of balance and consistency. Mental strength is as important to Ronaldo as physical fitness. He's often spoken about the power of self-belief and resilience, stating that mental toughness is crucial to success. To be productive like Ronaldo, cultivating a strong mindset is essential. This means setting clear goals, staying focused on your objectives, and not letting setbacks deter you. Developing mental resilience will help you navigate challenges and stay motivated, just as Ronaldo does. Cristiano Ronaldo's productivity is a testament to his disciplined lifestyle. By adopting his methods, whether it's sticking to a routine, committing to a balanced exercise regimen, eating a nutrient-rich diet, or building mental strength, you can enhance your own productivity and achieve your goals. It's about making small, consistent changes that lead to big results over time.